uyazi bayakugadla. Kodwa esikhathini esiningi ubona sekuze kwaba khona okwenzakalayo ukuthi ayi man, khona into e-wrong. Ubona uma ngabe sekubhedile ukuthi kahle kahle there was something wrong. Abanye benu babona senize nahamba nayo-consulta nomuntu ukuthi yazini, ngalesa sikhathi ngizwa ukuthi nokuthi umzimba wami bewungitshela mani ukuthi kunento eyenzakalayo, ukuthi kukhona umuntu ongigadlayo. So namhlanje ngiphethe ama-signs okuthi umzimba wakho ukutshela kanjani ukuthi there's something wrong, khona umuntu ogangayo. Because thina in our bodies we have the 7 chakras of the human body. So ama-chakras ngizonichazela ukuthi-ke ayini, nokuthi allocated kuphi emzimbeni, nanokuthi iyiphi i-chakra ekutshelayo uma ngabe kukwenzakala ini, uma ngabe umuntu eganga which area of your life. The crown chakra, ekhanda. The third eye chakra, which is your third eye, obviously angithi siyazi na i-third eye yethu. Your throat chakra, yile engiyisebenzisayo manje ukuthi-ke ngispeak out. Your heart chakra, inhliziyo. Your solar plexus, which is your lower abdomen. So lapho ekuhleli khona amaphapho akho. Your lower abdomen is your sacral chakra, and then your root chakra. I-root chakra is located on the base of your spine. Yabona mangabe umuntu wokuphathwa ikhanda, umuntu nje wena onenkinga yekhanda, you have ama-headaches nje avela aqhamuke out of nowhere, uphathwa ama-migraines, usuze uyaziwa nje ukuthi wena umuntu wekhanda, wena umuntu wama-migraines. Kusuke kunomuntu who is attacking your crown chakra. Ngithi crown chakra isekhanda. So lo muntu lo umuntu osuke echecka i-destiny yakho, echecka ukuthi yiziphi iy'ndledla zakho onazo, yini that is destined ukuthi izongena empilweni yakho. Yiziphi iy'busiso ey'dedelwa uNkulunkulu noma ey'dedelwa abaphansi bakini ukuthi zizongena empilweni yakho. What are you expecting in your life iy'busiso ezizongena? Basuke bekuchecka ukuthi kwenzakalani ngawe nasempilweni yakho ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi bagadle. And usually labantu laba sibabiza ngani? Ngama-monitoring spirits. Uma ngabe unenkinga ye-neck and shoulder pain, le neck and shoulder pain singasho ukuthi-ke it's associated with your throat chakra or your heart chakra. Loyo muntu loyo umuntu osuke ekuthwalisa umthwalo, umuntu osuke ekudalela iy'nkinga empilweni yakho. So usuke manipulate the spiritual to cause problems empilweni yakho. So you feel it ngoba ukunikeza lo mthwalo manje le worry ne-concern, you feel it entameni, you feel it nasemahlombeni ngoba usuke ekuthwesa something ebeyingasiyona eyakho. Usuke ekudalela ama-spiritual burdens. So uyinkinga nje usuke ekudalela zona in the spiritual ezigcine zimanifesta in the physical, in the 3D. And then abantu who experience tightness in the chest, ukucinana kwesifuba, loyo muntu usuke usuke attacker your solar plexus. So umuntu loyo osuke ekubophela to something, usuke ekubophela to a certain spirit, whether ukubophela to imimoya yasemanzini or whatever, or umkhovo or whatever lento asuke ekuthumela ngayo, ekubophela ngayo. Abanye baboshele etshwaleni, abanye baboshele ey'dakamizweni, but you feel it, tightness of i-chest isuke ikutshela ukuthi loyo muntu is binding you to something. Yabona mabe attacker i-solar plexus yakho, basuke benzela ukuthi izinto azime ndawonye empilweni yakho, kungabi namnyakazo. Basuke befuna ukustopha i-flow of energy empilweni yakho, because i-energy phela mangabe i-stagnant, ezinye zezinto ey'dala ukugula lokho. Angithi ikhona le enye video yami lapho enganenzela khona ukuthi nibone ukuthi amanye ama-sicknesses adalwa yini spiritually. So when i-energy ime ndawonye, it doesn't only just cause ukugula kuphela, it also causes ukuthi izinto zingahambi kahle even empilweni yakho, whether ama-goals or ama-finances, but nje kudala ukuthi izinto zakho zime ndawonye. Loyo muntu usuke efuna ukuthi izinto zingayindawo empilweni yakho, ungayiboni ukuthi usebenzelani, yonke imizamo yakho iphelele emoyeni. Yonke into yakho nje usuke efuna ukuyibona ime ndawonye. Uyabona-ke nje mawuzovela usukelwe yisisu. U-right sonke lesikhathi but jikijiki sewuphethwe yisisu nje, isisu sesiyakuhlupha noma uma ngabe uyile type yomuntu ehlushwa yisisu. Spiritually umzimba wakho usuke ukutshela ukuthi kunomuntu osuke egadla i-health yakho, usuke ekudalela ukugula. So isisu sakho is usually the first indicator usuke uyiboniswa umzimba wakho ukuthi-ke khona umuntu ogadla umzimba wakho ozama ukudala ama-illnesses. Angithi siyazi guys ukuthi-ke la emhlabeni kunabantu abakwazi ngisho ukuthumelana nange-stroke. Angithi siyakwazi sonke lokho. Thina esingekho spiritually asleep siyakwazi lokho. So be careful. Isisu sisuke sibika isifo, sisuke sibika i-illness, or sisuke sibika ini? Ukufa. Yabona-ke mangabe usuzofila i-pain lapha esibelethweni, ama-womb pains, and bewu-right wena all along, isibeletho sakho suke sikutshela ukuthi khona umuntu osuke kushaya ngama-money spells. Loyo muntu usuke enzani? Eganga ngemali yakho. Basuke befuna ukuyibona ukuthini imali yakho ingahlali. Basuke befuna ukubona imali yakho isheshe iphela. Basuke befuna ukubona ukuthi anything ekulethela imali. So ngamanye amagama amandla akho okuyiphilisa yinto abasuke beyi-attack-a leyo. So i-unusual pain nje esibelethweni isuke ikubikela lokho. Iqalekiso-ke lezo zemali. Basuke bekudalela inhlupheko. Basuke bekuthumela ngesikhonyana. Bafuna nje ukubona everything ekuphilisayo iphela empilweni yakho, because unfortunately siphila emhlabeni where abantu do things like that and bayibona befanele ukuthi bakudalele inhlupheko. Bayibona befanele ukuthi-ke wena nje yakhe imali yakho usebenze nje kodwa ungayiboni ukuthi iyaphi. Umuntu wesilisa naye unayo i-pelvic floor njengoba nomuntu wesifazane nayo i-pelvic floor. So mangabe nje usuzwa ama-pains on your pelvic floor, just know ukuthi those are attacks on imali yakho, those are attacks on your finances. Basuke bekugadla imali. Enye into ebalulekile nge-pain on your pelvic floor, whether umuntu wesifazane noma umuntu wesilisa, thina abantu besifazane size sibelethweni ukuthi khona oku-wrong okusuke kwenzakala ngomntanakho. Awuvele nje ufeel i-sharp pain esibelethweni sakho for nothing, or on your pelvic floor for nothing. Umuntu wesilisa kusuke kukhona into e-wrong eyenzakalayo ngomntanakho. So that's another sign. And then mangabe-ke usunenkinga with your private parts, whether uluma lokho ku-unusually, abanye benu phela ninama-STI guys, ningathi-ke ama-STI kanjani kwasha kwacima. If you know ukuthi-ke you have no STIs, uya-abstainer, uyazazi ukuthi-ke ucansi ulizilile, but for some reason unenkinga nje laphaya. For some reason unenkinga nje with your private parts, ufila i-pain noma ufila ngazathi kunocansi olenzakalayo. Understand nje, you feel a sensation as if wenza ucansi whereas ayikho into oyenzayo or uyihlelele nje. That is an indication of destiny swapping. That is an indication ye-sex magic. Basuke bekuthakatha ngokocansi, basuke benzani? Bekubophela esilwaneni. So lesilwane lesi sizofika sizokulala ebusuku. Uqala ngokufila le sensation in your private parts ngazathi nje you are engaging ocansini ubungenzi lutho. Basuke begadla sexually, and uzobona it makes it easier for isilwane ukuthi sifike sizokulala ebusuku. It's destiny swapping. Basuke mangabe sebefuna ukukutshontshela izibusiso zakho neziphiwo zakho, yiyo-ke i-magic abayisebenzisa le, yibo ubuthakathi ababusebenzisayo lokho ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi bakuweaknishe wena spiritually and balowarishe ama-defenses akho ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi benze lokho abasuke befuna ukukwenza. So angithi-ke basuke be-attack-a your 7 main chakras. Asiqalele phansi nje senze i-summary of ukuthi ama-7 main chakras ayini and ukubaluleka kwawo kuyini. I-crown chakra isekhanda. So i-crown chakra is associated with your enlightenment, your spiritual connection, and your higher consciousness. So yizo izinto abasuke beyi-attack-a lezo mangabe be-attack-a i-crown chakra. I-third eye chakra angithi siyazi i-third eye yethu. I-third eye is associated with i-intuition yakho, i-spiritual insight oba naso, so amaphupho akho, and spiritual awareness. And then there's i-throat chakra emphinjweni. Mina nje khona manje ngithi ngisebenzisa i-throat chakra. It's what we use to kuthi si-speak out mangabe siqhashazwa. It's what we use mangabe sikhuluma namanzi, mangabe siyivikela. We use our throat chakra, and nayo yinto abakwaziyo ukuthi bayi-attack. Mabengafuni ukuthi ukhulume iqiniso lakho, mabengafuni ukuthi-ke ukwazi ukuthi-ke uzivikele. Noma bengafuni ukuthi ukhulume nabaphansi bakini. I-throat chakra is associated with the communication and self-expression. And then there's the heart chakra. I-heart chakra is located kuphi angithi siyazi ukuthi sonke inhliziyo ikuphi. I-heart chakra is associated with uthando, uxolo, ukwazi ukuxolela abantu, ne-compassion, ukwazi ukuthi uzwelane nabanye abantu. And then bese kuba ke yi-solar plexus. I-solar plexus angithi siyazi ukuthi i-upper abdomen. So yila emaphapweni nje. It's above isibhono sakho. Solar plexus is associated with your self-esteem, your confidence, and your personal power. So mabe attack-a i-solar plexus yakho, yizo izinto abasuke be-attack-a lezo. Basuke befuna ukuthi uyinyeze, bafuna ukuthi ungayithembi. And basuke ba-attack-a lamandla lawa onawo, your personal power, lawa akusizayo ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi stand up for yourself. And then bese kuba khona ngithi sacral chakra. It's associated with your creativity, mainly with feminine energy, with pleasure and emotional well-being. So uyazi ukuthi yizi izinto abasuke be-attack-a lezo. And then bese kuba khona i-root chakra, which is at the base of your spine. Lapho basuke be-attack-a i-stability sakho, ba-attack i-survival yakho, and ba-attack i-grounding, i-balance yakho osuke unayo empilweni yakho. So now you know.